I wanted to do a quick video about 3D printing and some of the advantages, especially if you can make your own stuff like I've recently been doing. So I'm working on the motorcycle, replacing the brake lines. As you can see, the lift isn't very wide, so there's plenty of extra room here, and it's kind of cluttered. Normally this isn't really an issue, but sometimes I need to use my lift, which, as you can see, doesn't really have much room. And other times, even when I don't need the lift, it's fine. Now usually I can put, well, not usually, always I can put stuff over here. There's plenty of room here. But this time I'm working in this area, doing the brake lines. I'm changing this so fluid's coming out. I don't really want anything here. Normally it's fine if something's here. Yeah, there's some fluid there, but that's an old tire. We're not going to use that tire. So I thought it would be nice to have a little extra space. And there's plenty of room here for me to reach over, as you can see. Plenty of room. So I won't be stepping over myself. So I thought it'd be nice if I could draw something up. So here's my little concept drawing of the lift. And then I thought, hey, I can even make this thing snap on. I'm not sure, it doesn't need to be that deep, you know. That's... Now, I don't want to print the whole tray, so I printed little demo pieces like this, which only took 25 minutes. And then I can test fit it. As you can see, it clips on there really good. So now I'm thinking, okay, I have this. Let me put this on a tray, and I'll show you the end result. The reason I did this is it printed this way, and that way I need no supports whatsoever. It can just print without supports. And there you go. I didn't go all the way, save a tiny bit extra filament. So now let's see if this works. Okay, we're gonna get it started. And look at that. How about that? Well, we could put that somewhere else. There's room for that over here. And now look at all that room I have for my lift and easy access to my tools. That's a pretty heavy socket. Won't slide. Looks good.